Hi my beautiful people, how are you? I'm actually heading home now from the gym, but I wanted to share a story with you guys. First of all, I wanted to tell you about the power of positivity, the power of, keeping faith and having faith that everything's going to turn out the way that you planned it to turn out and not what others plan for you. Remember, this is your destiny, not others. So always think positive. Keep an open mind and keep faith that things will turn out the way that they will turn out because that's the way you planned it. So anyways, my story is last week, had a friend of mine tell me that she's, she's tired of her current position and so she wants to change jobs. So, she kind of, went on my computer and tried to tweak her resume. By the way, when I saw it, I was like, okay, no, let me help you. This is a total mess. Let me tweak it a little bit. This will help you out, into getting your foot in the door. So anyways, I tweaked her resume last week and I told her, listen, just be positive. You will get the job. Okay. And so I get a call. Actually, I get a text from a friend of mine. Now we're mutual friends. And she tells me, hey, guess what? She got the job. So that made me very happy. And it's just a matter of, if I was thinking positive for her, then I'm sure that she was thinking positive for herself and believing that she could do this. So it's just a matter of going out there and kicking ass and, and believing in yourself that you are going to do it. And that no matter what, no matter your surroundings, no matter your obstacles, you are going to do it. So power of positivity. Always think positive and have faith in yourself. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.